In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play 1080 by 1080 CS2 Nvidia. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock 1080 by 1080. So as you can clearly see, I have 1080 by 1080 available as a resolution. Of course, I'm doing this on windowed mode, but this is because it makes it easier for me to demonstrate. If I would set it to full screen, it would lag the recording, so I'm just demonstrating this with windowed mode. But you are able to play CS2 in a window like this, and you will be able to go into any of the modes and play with this custom resolution. So I'm going to teach you how to create it first. I just want to load into a map to showcase that it is indeed working, and you are able to play at essentially a 1:1 resolution. So all that you have to do to set this up, if you are using an Nvidia GPU, is to right-click your desktop and go over to the Nvidia control panel. Inside of the Nvidia control panel, use the categories at the left, and under Display, you will find Change Resolution. Now, under the secondary option here, you will find the Customize button. Choose Customize, and you will be able to create a custom resolution for your monitor. What you have to do is set the horizontal pixels and the vertical lines to 1080 by 1080. So you set both to 1080. The refresh rate can be set to whatever you prefer. Usually you just set this to the maximum supported by your monitor, so 120, 144, 165, whatever. And everything else here on standard can be set to automatic. You don't have to worry too much. Then choose test, and if the resolution is stable and it works on your monitor, then you can go inside of CS. Now you will be able to go into the settings, and as weird as this is, it seems like the option is only available under widescreen 16 by 10. There isn't a custom resolution category, so just choose widescreen 16 by 10 and then 1080 by 1080. So you can apply this resolution, and it is going to work for full screen, for windowed, whichever option you are using. So you will see it like this. Of course, the recording might be a little bit glitchy, but still you will be able to play without any issues. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1080 by 1080 CS2 Nvidia. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.